Hi scientists, your focus this week is going to be Earth's moon. This week I'm going to give you one assignment and you have 3 days to complete the assignment. You can do all of the work today or you can do some of the work each of the days, but everything needs to be finished and submitted by the due date on your screen, and you will be clicking submit once you're finished. Okay, so in your folder, you have the assignment that says Moon's Appearance. So you're going to click on that. Yours looks slightly different because you are a student and I am a teacher. And so yours up here, you have My Document. So you're going to click that and it's going to open your slides. I recommend leaving your slides open so that you can see slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4. You're going to go back and forth between the slides, and this will help you do that. Fifth graders, I know you are scientists, but you are also readers as well. So it is going to be so important that you are going to read all of this information. This is not something that should be finished in 5 minutes or less. I've given you 3 days to work on this, and so I am expecting you to take your time to read every single word, to watch the videos, to click on the links, and really show me in the end your answers should reflect that you have read and you've watched and you've done the interacting like you should. So this first screen, it's important that you are going to read this screen. I'm not going to read it to you because you need to read, but this is setting your purpose, okay? So after you read all of the words on every single slide, you go to the next slide. And then there are directions. And so you read the directions and you follow the directions on the slide. Once you have read all of this, this happens to take you out of, so when I click, it takes you out of Schoology. And so after you have finished watching, I just kept my tabs open and I'm going to go back to my slides. Then I go to the next slide. This slide is different than all of the others. It says go to slide 12 and answer the questions in box 1. This is why I wanted you to leave the slides open on the side, because you're going to go to slide 12. Find where it says box 1. You'll notice it says video moon phases. So you had watched the moon phases video and now you're going to type your answers for box 1. Once you've completed that, then you're back up and now you're ready to do this slide. Reading all of the information and then going to the next slide. So you are going to be expected to go through every single slide. If it says read, please read. If it says click, click and do what it asks you to do. Whenever it takes you away from the slides, make sure that you come back. Your ultimate goal is that you will have answered all of the questions on slide 12 and you have filled in all of the blanks on slide 13. On slide 13, it is drag and drop. So you click on a word, and do you see how that box comes up? And then once I have it where it's that cross, then I can drag, and if I want the word here, I leave the word there. Okay? So the expectation is that you are reading and following the directions, and your answers on slide 12 and slide 13 should show me that you took responsibility for your learning and you read the information and you watched the videos and you clicked on the links. Once you have completed everything in slide 12 and 13 or finished, go back into your Schoology assignment and there you have a button for you to click submit. I don't have it because I'm a teacher. But when all of your work is finished, please go back to Schoology and submit.